How to grill salmon fish. Defrost the salmon that was bought. Unpack the defrost salmon fish. Wash the salmon fish to lessen the saltiness. Slice the salmon fish just enough the size that can be entered in the oven broil. Put enough water in the oven broil plate. It will serve as a steamer. Then, put the salmon fish in the oven broil plate. We can check sometimes the oven broil to get properly grilled salmon fish. Not overcooked, not undercooked. Overturn the salmon fish in the opposite side to grill it evenly. It is now ready to serve.